Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak on Algu Rai Shastri. He was born on 29th of January 1900 in Mau district, which presently is in Uttar Pradesh. He completed his schooling in the mission school in Varanasi and did his graduation from Kashi Vidyapith University. He participated in non-cooperation movement in 1920, for which he went to jail. He was a member of Legislative Assembly of United Provinces. He was the member of the Constituent Assembly and he spoke on various issues. He spoke on the emergency power of the President of India and governors. He also spoke on the restrictions which were there on the fundamental rights. He was a strong supporter to adopt Hindi as a national language and adopt the Constitution of India in Hindi. So we just see this particular issue which he spoke. On 26th of November 1949, quote, Mr. President, before you resume the day's work, I would like to know from you as to when and in which form the Hindi translation of the Constitution would appear. I had suggested the other day that when we meet before 26th of January, we should give 2 or 3 days for the general discussion of that translation and authenticate it. We can sit for 2 or 3 days and adopt the Constitution in our national language. We should pass our Constitution in the language of the country. This language, English, is not the language of the people. It is not the language of the common man. I therefore request you, in the name of the Indian nationalism and in the name of the Indian people, to make a definite announcement in this respect. Unquote. So it is very clear that Algu Rai Shastri wanted the Constitution to be in Hindi and Hindi to be the national language. We are grateful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.